My birthday, 19th of March. My sun sign, Pisces. My ambition, be a world-class trekker. I like mountains. I dislike worms. My desire, to have my own chain of restaurants. My favorite food, butter chicken. My favorite perfume, Hugo Boss. My passion, films. I admire sense of humor in people.
हाय, आज लेट्स टॉक में हम जिनसे आपकी मुलाकात करवाएंगे उनके बारे में मैं आपको कुछ नहीं बताना चाहती। इनफैक्ट मैं आपके साथ एक वर्ड एसोसिएशन गेम खेलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कुछ वर्ड्स आपको कहूंगी और आप सोचेगा कि कौन सी एक्ट्रेस हैं जो इन वर्ड्स से काफी क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड हैं। ओके, रेडी? स्कूटर, जमशेदपुर, मिस इंडिया, चॉकलेट। लेट मी मेक इट इजी फॉर यू। आशिक बनाया आपने। वेरी गुड। आई थिंक आपने इमीडिएटली गेस कर लिया होगा कि आज yes indeed we are in conversation with Tanushree Datta. Thank you for coming on the show.
Hi.
And you're looking very nice.
Thank you.
Are those real nails?
Yes.
Like very lovely pink nails. I have to ask you, हाल ही में आपका जो गाना था हिचकी, I believe that there was some बिच्छू जो बहुत पास आया and काफी scary situation था. I'm sure आपने रिस्क फिल्म में इनका गाना जरूर देखा होगा. तो एक real life बिच्छू वहाँ आया था. Did you get stung or something?
No, I didn't get stung. That's why I'm sitting hale and hearty over here. It did scare me a bit. थोड़ा मैं डर गई थी ज़रूर, लेकिन वो काफ़ी मरेला सा बिच्छू था. But it did scare the daylights out of me.
And so I started like that क्योंकि मैंने आपको देखा and immediately I thought of हिचकी and then I remembered कि मैंने पढ़ा था कहीं कि बिच्छू आया था. Okay, आप जमशेदपुर की हैं, which is a very like small town compared to Mumbai. And आपकी I think एक सहेली है या somebody who knows you has told me that आप बहुत simple थी और बहुत चुपचाप रहने वाली थी और अब जब आप वापस जाते हो आपको एक स्टार जैसा ट्रीट करते हैं लोग और वेव करने के लिए आते हैं. Is that true?
Jamshedpur is a small town, so I think that little bit of excitement is understandable.
So it's like हमारी लड़की वापस आ गई, Miss India बन गई.
Yeah.
So what was आप you were also in Pune, I believe.
Yes.
जहाँ पे आपने boarding school में
I studied in Pune. I've spent 3 years in Pune.
Okay.
मैंने high school Pune से complete किया.
And वहाँ लूना चलाया कि नहीं?
Oh yes, of course. I've had my own scooty and I used to ride around the whole city and I've bumped into so many places.
और यहाँ मुंबई में?
No, I didn't try.
You don't have a scooter here?
No, two-wheelers in Mumbai are very scary.
But I believe आपकी next film में आप एक scooter चला रही हो.
मेरी next film जो ढोल है, उसमें हम लोगों ने shooting पुणे में की थी. तो पुणे में shooting करते वक्त we've used a scooty.
Yeah, because realistic होता है पुणे की लड़कियाँ इस्तेमाल करती हैं. But director ने आपसे पूछा था आती है स्कूटर चलाना, आपको आता है या नहीं?
Actually, they wanted me to drive a car.
हाँ.
For that particular shot and because I'm an independent girl and I'm a college going girl, तो वो चाहते थे कि कई ऐसे shots थे जो मैं खुद कार चला के I go to the library or somewhere else. तो I said I don't know how to drive a car.
Really?
Yeah, really.
गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता?
I've tried several times. I just can't drive. I'm too scared to be on the road, and there's so much traffic and
it's
everything.
so big.
Yeah, and
Extra wheels हैं.
extra wheels. So I said, but yes, I can drive a two-wheeler.
I think जैसे cycling आप कभी नहीं भूल सकते जिंदगी में.
Cycling और
Swimming.
two-wheelers आप कभी नहीं भूल सकते. Driving मैं बहुत बार भूल चुकी हूँ.
So you know something about her जो पहले आपको नहीं पता था कि इन्हें गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता है. Okay, you have another film releasing which is Good Boy, Bad Boy.
Yes.
So उसमें लड़कियों का क्या करना है?
Good Boy, Bad Boy also has the good girl and the bad girl.
Huh.
So the good girl is obviously the studious, simpler, the teacher's pet kinds, and the bad girl is the brattish, tomboyish,
The disco
complete gunda character.
अच्छा गुंडा. Okay.
Complete gunda character, and she's loud and she's in like a big bully in college. So it was interesting.
So you इनकी I think कुछ 4 फिल्में इस साल रिलीज होने वाली हैं. And are you excited with the way your career is going?
I'm excited. I'm very excited because I managed to play different roles. Like in Good Boy, Bad Boy, I mentioned the character. Then in Rakib, I have a negative role. It's a very mature, very scheming, manipulative girl.
Eyebrow वगैरह ऐसे करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, a lot of things. And that. And then in Dhol, I'm playing simple, small town girl.
Scooter riding girl.
Scooty riding girl. And it's like a girl next door kind of a character. So I'm very happy with the kind of roles that were offered to me. I definitely did not expect that kind of variety.
And like कितना time हुआ है industry में आपको?
1 year.
1 year ना, that's damn good yeah for 1 year. लेकिन साथ में like the songs and all you're still doing के मतलब
Well, I
special
did
appearance होगा
special
तो
appearance. I have done 2 special appearances so far. One was Bhagam Bhag, and the other one was 36 Chinatown.
Chinatown, yeah.
And I think by fluke or maybe I think pure luck, I think both the songs, especially Bhagam Bhag song, kind of did very well for itself. And but that's not like a habit that.
नहीं डर नहीं लगता कि लोग कहेंगे ये तो आइटम लेडी है तो उनको
No,
हम
that's-
हीरोइन के तौर पे कैसे
No,
ले
because
लें?
I have 3 full-fledged releases coming up in
Yeah.
1 month, so that's not a fear. I don't really follow examples or the entire calculation. I don't do that. I do what I feel like doing. If I'm approached with something and I just follow my gut feeling, and my gut feeling actually told me during Bhagam Bhag, do the song. There was a little voice inside my head.
अंदर की आवाज को
Andar ki
definitely
awaaz,
सुनना
like
चाहिए,
those 2 devils standing out were like, okay, do it, do it, do it.
I have to ask you, आप जमशेदपुर से आए हो and आप पूना में पढ़ रहे थे. Suddenly how this industry struck you कि मुझे लगता है मुझे glamour industry में काम करना चाहिए.
I was always interested in modeling, right from the time I was a little child. My parents thought उन्होंने सोच के रखा था कि बेटी या फिर डॉक्टर या फिर IAS ऑफिसर,
हाँ.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें
सब
थी.
fix था.
Mostly in academics, it was expected, it was understood. लेकिन मेरा, I was a good student, but I never wanted to take up a career in academics. When I shifted to Pune for my studies, while I was doing my high school, तो college के काफ़ी inter-college activities होती थी, dance competition, music competitions. I was always very involved in college activities. So I got a lot of opportunities in Pune. Pune में मैंने fashion shows किए through college, outside shows also. So that's where the confidence came
And mummy
from.
daddy were okay like or they were saying हाथ से निकल रही है लड़की
Yeah,
नहीं जाने देना चाहिए था boarding school
that was something which
like daily
was.
calls and all घर पर नहीं पहुंची 12 बज गए हैं
No, not mom and dad, but everyone else. I mean, apparently.
हाँ it's the neighbors ना the
apparently
well-meaning
the
ones.
Other people were more concerned about my well-being. My parents have always been very supportive.
Actually किसी भी फील्ड में you need your parents support for everything.
Yeah.
And of course बहुत ही supportive parents उनके हैं तो ज़रूर लेकिन एक चीज़ से उनको काफ़ी टेंशन हुई थी और शॉक लगा था. वो कौन सी चीज़ है मैं आपको बताऊंगी एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. जल्दी से वापस आइएगा, हम यहीं बैठे हैं आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं.